Hello my students, how are you? Grade 6. Today we'll explain the difference between statical and non-statical question at weekly assessment number 12, and we will know the histogram, line bullet, statical, non-statical, and all things about data. Okay, first we must know the difference between statical question and non-statical question. You must know statical question, the answer of this question, we have different answer. We have different answer of statical questions. But statistically, we have exactly one answer. Look at here. How many hours did the grade 6 students spend watching TV last week? Statical or non-statical? We have different answer about this question. So we have statical question. This statical question because we have different answer. If you have different answer, then the type of question it will be statical. How tall is the tallest tree in the public park? We have answer, one solution. You have exactly one answer. Then we called it non-statical question. Number 2, non-statical question. Number 3, what are the favorite types of game for children in your neighborhood? We have different answer here. Then it will be statical question. We called it statical question. How many members are in your family? You will tell me the answer exactly. So it will be a non-statical question because statical question we want extra answer different. Okay, not exactly answer. If we have exactly answer, we called it non-statical questions. This non-statical questions. Okay, and now we will about the type of data. We have categorical data and numerical data like this. What type of answers will you expect to get from students? We have information about this. Okay, let me give you another question like this. We have the type of data like numerical data and categorical. We have numerical data like weight and height also. We called it numerical data. Categorical data, we have words like name, numbers, nationality, favorite subject. We called it categorical data. Okay, the type of data. Okay, listen to me about next question. Exploring histogram. Where histogram? First, we have line plot. This line plot, we have information about this. The number of students who read the largest number of books will be what? He asked about the number of students who read the largest number of books will be 1 student. And the number of books read by the largest number will be what? What is the number of books? Number 4. Books number 4 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students read it. Now we have here bar graph. This bar graph, we can find the information directly from the graphics here. The number of students who prefer football here 25 students, and the number of students who prefer volleyball here will be 10 students. It's easy question for you. And now we have histogram. We have the answer in this graphic by the intervals. Okay. Observe the graph here and complete. The graph of it is called histogram. We called it what? Histogram. Okay, this histogram is the answer here. Histogram. We called it histogram. Okay. Next question. Number of students who study 6 hours or more. 6 hours or more. We have 12 students and 2 students. In 12 plus 2 is 14 students. The vertical axis represents the number of students and the horizontal number of hours. He asked about vertical number of students. Okay. Now we will solve weekly assessment. Look at here. Weekly assessment where here number 1 model letter E. A question has many different possible answers. We called it statical question. It's statical. We have different answer. We called it statically question. Next question number 2. Largest value subtract by smallest value. We called it what? Range. The range equals the difference between largest value and the smallest value. Look at here bar graph. He asked you a question about bar graph here. What is the graph called? We called it bar graph. Okay, we called it bar graph. Bar graph. We called it bar graph. Next question, number 3. What is the subject preferred by the largest number of students? It will be math. Sure, math. Okay. Letter B. Choose the correct answer from the given ones. From numerical data, where numerical data here the answer contains of digits, where number of brothers. The number of brothers, the information about number of brothers will be numerical data, not categorical data. Okay. Next question. Histogram display into from intervals. Histogram contains of intervals like this. We called it histogram. Histogram contains of intervals. It was displayed in form of intervals. Next question. What is the name of the graph object? We called it line plot. We call this what? Line plot. Okay. This graph here, we called it what? Line plot. Line plot. You can see or not? Line plot. Okay. What is the total number of participants in survey? We can count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 6. So 8 plus 2, 10, 10, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18. 18 students. The total 18. What is the number of reading hours for the largest number of students? What is the number of reading of the largest number of students? The number of the largest number of students read 2 hours. Read at 2 hours. Read at 2 hours. Okay. Next question, from the categorical data, we have categorical data like what? We have here favorite sport. Favorite sport, categorical data, because the answer will be description. Description will be favorite sport. Number 2, a question that has only one answer. We called it non-statical question. Non-statical. We called it non-statical. Now we ask it there about histogram. This question, what is the object graph called? We called it histogram. Remember histogram? It's easy word is histogram. We called it histogram. Okay. What is the total number of participants in survey? Okay, the total number we can count. The total number here participants in survey here. We can write number, collect all together. Okay. We can collect the number here 16. And this I can't see exactly, but you can find the answer by yourself. Okay. You can collect all numbers like this 16. And this 10, 16 plus 10 plus this 12, and this number 8 plus 4. You can collect together to find an answer. Okay. Next question. What is the number of participants over 14 years old? Over 14 years old, look at here from the table or the histogram, where 14 here, count this number was 8 and 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. And the number will be 12. The solution here 12. Okay. The number of participants over 14 years old, it will be, we take it 12 or not? I see now 12. Yes. I speak 12 or not? Again, look at here. This first was this number 8. Yes, 8 and 4, it will be 12. Then the answer here will be 12. Okay. Last question, my students.